Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to share your Amazon Prime membership. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is super useful to do as in someone else in your household can go and share select Prime benefits. So to go and do this, you need to go and click on the person icon at the bottom of Amazon. Now you need to go and scroll down this page until you find the Your Account section, and go over to the right and click on See All. And then all you need to do is go and find Prime membership in account settings. You can click there. Now all you need to do is go and scroll down. Keep on scrolling down until you see this section. Share your Prime benefits. What you can then do is click on Manage Sharing, and it says invite someone you live with to share benefits. So what you can do is go and click on their name and go and type it in, and you can type in their email as well. After you've done that, go and click on Continue. And you do need to share your wallet to verify you live together. Then I'll click on Agree and Continue. And then what I can do is go and send an invite, and that person will have 14 days to go and join your household. And they can then go and start using the select Prime benefits, and you can view them here. So that's basically how you can share your Amazon Prime membership. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.